Good job, Beckham. Work on your art. Turning his pencil around the right way. Whoa, it's beautiful, baby. Go ahead. Turn your paper over. Hold it with your hand. Good. Good job. Yes, good job. That's orange. Orange. Good job, Beckham. Today it's December 4th. Beckham's working on some coloring before dinner. What is it, baby? Okay. Want to see if this one will work? Green? Check the green. I don't know if the green will work or not. Oh, no, it's orange. Oh, turn the right way. Good job, Angel. My little artist. Hi, my little... More? Want more? Please? Okay, let me get you some. I'll get some right now, baby.